What's up everyone, here we've got my take of mounting the humminbird helix 5 to the pod on the shearwater. So I've got a 3D printed mount. So I've got the fish finder mounted to the mount that I 3D printed and then going onto the mount, and I've actually got magnets on the back side of this so I can just stick a lure straight to it. It's running inside, and then transducer obviously it's on the back side, but that's not even running inside the pod. And I got this powered by, let me stick that down. Yeah, you can see here it's an 8 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery. I got waterproof connectors on there, but it's pretty watertight. I've just got it in a dry bag just in case. But mine actually doesn't leak, but it did initially. But I put some of this steel around here to stop it from leaking, and that actually worked, so it don't leak anymore. Try not to pinch this wire. So I got the transducer mounted. That's also 3D printed, you can probably tell. So I got the wire running down, I got a bit of glue to hold it in place. And then I drilled a small hole at the top. Put some goop around it to make it watertight, make it flush, and then you can see the camper seal again at the top. But this works great. I got it zip tied. And just stick it back in. Yeah. So I mounted the humminbird helix 5 to the shearwater. Don't forget to like and subscribe.